Welcome students on my channel Multidimension. Myself Dr. Dharmendra Bhalse. On my channel you will get videos of your physics syllabus one by one. So keep watching my channel Multidimension. In my previous videos you have learned about conservation laws in physics and fundamental forces in nature. In this video you will learn about what is physics, physics and its relation to other branches of science, physics and its relation to society and technology. Dear students, if you like my video, subscribe my channel and share video with your friends. So let's start. What is physics? What is physics? It is very interesting question because everything what we see, what we do, what we feel, what happens around us, everything are related with physics. Light, heat, sound, air, water, sky, everything are related with physics. A small water drop to production of electricity, atom to atom bomb, bicycle to aeroplane, everything are working on the principle and laws of physics. Actually, physics is the reason behind any natural or physical phenomena. We are very curious about the phenomena which happen around us, like change of day and night, continuous change of seasons, twinkling of stars, solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, revolution of earth around the sun, blowing of winds, falling of rains, working of television, computer, mobile phone, production of electricity, etc. This all explained by physics. In this way, physics are the laws and theories by which we explain any phenomena like why raining, how earth revolves around the sun, why color of sky is blue, or any astronomical or physical event. The word physics has been derived from the Greek word physis, which means nature. Therefore, physics is a branch of science in which we study about nature and natural phenomena. Actually, physics is very broad subject. It is very difficult to exactly define it. But in brief, we can say physics is branch of science in which we study about nature and natural phenomena. Properties of matter, that is liquid, solid and gases. Different forms of energy and their mutual changes. Internal structure of matter, forces between particle, motion of particle, etc. Now we will discuss physics and its relation to other branches of science. First we discuss about physics and its relation to mathematics. Physics and mathematics are strongly depends on each other. In the development of mathematical formula, we use concept and theories of physics, while many mathematical formula and equations are used to prove physics theory and derivations. To prove physics derivation, we often use differentiation as well as integration. Physics is practical subject. In physics, every theory and formula have practically proved. During physics experiment, we do many complex calculation with the help of mathematics. In brief, we can say mathematics is heart of physics, because in physics we can't do anything without mathematics. Next is physics and its relation to chemistry. To understand the chemical structure and properties of matter, we use concept of X-ray diffraction. By using X-ray diffraction, we find bonding between atoms, bond length, bond angle, type of valencies, chemical shift, etc. That helps to understand chemical properties of elements and complexes. Then to predict position of new element in the periodic table. Next is physics and its relation to astronomy. With the help of optical telescope, it is possible to study the motion of various planets and satellites in our solar system. Radio telescope helped to study the structure of our galaxy and to discover pulsars and quasars. Kepler's law of planetary motion explains the motion of planets around the sun. Doppler effect predicts the expansion of universe. Next is physics and its relation to biology. The concept of pressure and its measurement helps to know the blood pressure of human being. X-ray helps to diagnose fracture in bones and other various diseases. Laser operation nowadays are very famous, are used to remove stones and unwanted tissues from the human body. MRI, NMR, CT scan used to identify the brain tumor and cancer diseases. Next one is physics and its relation to geology. The internal structure of any rock can be known with the help of crystal structure. Age of rocks and fossils known with the help of radioactive decay, that is carbon dating technique. Ultrasonic waves are used to forecast earthquake and tsunami. Next one is physics and its relation to society. The development of physics and other branches of science has revolutionary changes in human lifestyle. The invaluable contribution of physics in the field of education, agriculture, industries, information technology, banking, transportation will be unforgettable. The last one is physics and its relation to technology. The process of converting non-resources into resources with the help of laws and theories of science is known as technology. The modern technology is also known as applied physics, because in modern technology various type of instruments and apparatus constructed by using laws and theories of physics. Radio, television, mobile phones, radar, GPS are developed on the basis of principle of propagation of electromagnetic waves. The launching of satellite becomes possible by the study of laws and theories of physics.